Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam API error quickly and easily on your PC so you can get back to playing your games without frustrating launch errors or connection issues. This problem usually appears when Steam does not have the correct permissions or when a game's files are slightly corrupted. In this guide, I'll walk you through several simple fixes step by step. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming and software tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, start by completely closing Steam if it is currently running. After that, locate the Steam shortcut on your desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click on Steam and choose Run as administrator. This gives Steam the permissions it needs to properly communicate with the game and the Steam API services. Once Steam opens again, try launching your game to see if the error is gone. If the problem still appears, don't worry, because the next fix usually solves it. Go to your Steam library and find the game that is showing the API error. Right-click the game and select Properties from the menu. Inside the Properties window, click on Installed Files in the left panel. Now choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the installation and automatically repair any missing or damaged files. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game. When the scan finishes, restart Steam and launch the game again. And that's how you fix the Steam API error quickly. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more guides.